Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Step by Step. Today we're diving into past tenses. Let's get started. The first one is past simple. We use it for actions that are completed in the past. For example, I visited Paris last year. She finished her homework. To form it, we usually add ed to regular verbs, but watch out for irregular verbs like go, which becomes went. Next, we have the past continuous. This tense describes actions that were ongoing at a specific time in the past. For instance, I was reading when the phone rang. They were playing football at 4 p.m. yesterday. We form it using was, were, plus verb ing. It's great for setting the scene in a story. The past perfect is perfect for showing that one action happened before another in the past. For example, by the time I arrived, they had left. She had already finished the book when I called her. The formula is had plus past participle. It's like a time machine, letting you look further back in time. Finally, we have the past perfect continuous. It highlights actions that were ongoing up until a certain point in the past. Examples include, he had been studying for hours before the exam. We had been walking for miles when it started to rain. It's formed with had been plus verb ing. Use it to emphasize duration or ongoing actions. Let's quickly recap. Past simple. Actions finished in the past. I ate dinner. Past continuous. Actions in progress. I was eating dinner. Past perfect. Actions completed before another. I had eaten dinner before they arrived. Past perfect continuous. Ongoing actions before another. I had been eating dinner for an hour before they arrived. Here is a list of irregular verbs with their past simple and past participles. Do pause the video to take a screenshot. Now you're all set to master the past tenses. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time on English Step by Step. Bye.